First of all, I've been working with Maynard for over 20 years, more on the client side. He worked for Verizon as a vendor, and I met him about 20 years ago. And I've always loved what he's done for people. And I've seen salespeople go from being afraid to make calls, afraid to ask for referrals, afraid to be called a salesperson. You're a salesperson. Well, I'm not a salesperson. I'm a executive client advisor, blah, blah, blah. Main thing is they were afraid. In the last 6 months, I've been working closely with Maynard, as I said, as an associate, and it blows me away. I've seen people who are struggling, ready to quit their job as a salesperson, and after the workshop had hope. Number one, they had hope. Before that, they had no hope. And then transformed their trajectory from being ready to quit to being a superstar. That is transformational. One of our clients even said to us, this was the VP of Sales Enablement, and said, what you do for people is transformational. I've been on calls with Maynard as we do some one-on-one coaching and saw this person that was struggling, had a lot of head trash, just physically, mind was just shot. And he's just like, I know I should do this. I need some help. I need some hope. And over a series of 4 to 5 workshops of one-on-one coaching, he went from doing 0 business to tripling his business. He said, I have hope now. I mean, you changed how I think. How many people can work for a company where you can not only transform, yeah, it's a numbers business, yeah, they're going to make more sales, which is the goal. We want to help salespeople become more successful and reach their full potential and beyond. And we were on a call this morning and Maynard said, we believe in people until they finally believe in themselves, right? We see great things in them before they can even see it in themselves. That is a powerful message to give to someone that has no hope, and probably no one's ever said that to them. They never said, I believe in you. I know you can do this. We've helped other people like you completely change their careers. And it's not all about money, but that changes how a person's attitude is, how they walk, how they feel about themselves. It really is inspirational to see what Maynard does and what we do in these workshops and see the results. And then read the testimonials, read the emails that come back and say, wow, I mean, thank you, thank you. How many times have you gone to a training session and you felt compelled to tell that trainer, thank you? Very few times that I've been to any. Most of the time I get bored, not in his workshops.